Shahbaz lived happily with his parents and 8 brothers and sisters in the serene and beautiful valleys of Kashmir. He was physically challenged at birth, but he never felt he lacked anything. Until October 8, 2005, when suddenly he felt empty and challenged by life. On this fateful day, he not only lost his parents, but a brother and a sister as well. His family was buried in the extensive rubble left over by the catastrophic quake, whilst he watched in somber silence. Shahbaz and his brother shared their story with us.
तब हम घर में ही थे, तो वहाँ पे बैठे हुए थे, फिर जोर जोर से दरवाज़ा हिलना शुरू हो गए, फिर ऊपर से घर नीचे गिरा तो सारे ही मर गए।
उसी दिन रात को फिर बारिश शुरू हो गई बहुत तेज़ी से, फिर थोड़े थोड़े ज़लज़ले आना शुरू हो गए, दोबारा फिर झटके, तो फिर दूसरे दिन उसी दिन रात को ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं था, ऊपर बारिश ही थी।
Today, Shahbaz is living in the SOS village with his 4 brothers and his sister, amongst many other such children who suffered a similar fate in 2005. With the combined efforts of the teachers and his peers, he has learned to walk with crutches instead of crawling and is learning to overcome his handicap.
इस बच्चे के 4 ऑपरेशन होने के बाद अब ये इस पोजीशन है, किसी वक्त ये बगैर क्रचेस के भी चलता है। हम इसके डॉक्टर के मुताबिक, उनके एडवाइस के मुताबिक कभी हम इसे व्हीलचेयर देते हैं, कभी हमें वॉकर देते हैं, कभी इसको क्रचेस के साथ मुख्तलिफ ये इसके हैं एड्स जिससे चलता फिरता है।
पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान।
Shahbaz has managed to repiece his life here. He can now play with the other children, feeling less awkward. His friends are his family today.
बच्चे इसके साथ बहुत फ्रेंडली है। आप यकीन कीजिए, हर बच्चा, बड़ा बच्चा तो कोई सवाल पैदा नहीं होता कि उसकी मदद ना करे। इसको गोद में लेके जाना, हाथ उसके धुलवाने, फिर उठा के लेके जाना।
When this tragic incident occurred, he was only 7. He could not read and write at that time. But today he is 11 years old and is studying in the 2nd grade. His teachers and friends are proud of him because of his constant effort to learn. Today, he aims at proving himself and making his mark in the world. 4 years on, and after all the affection and care that he has received, family and home are 2 irreplaceable things that he still longs for, like many other children here, to have them back. Mariam Parvez, Dawn News, Lahore.